How much time does it take to learn a language? It depends, but usually a lot. It's a process and your brain needs to memorize a lot of new information. However, if we can memorize words and sounds faster, then we can start using the language sooner and practice fewer hours in total. In this video, we introduce our revolutionary language learning app. It's designed to save you time and boost your confidence. Our secret lies in training your active memory with personalized phrases that are tailored to your needs. Your teacher can record their voice and you can practice it between the lessons, making them way more efficient. The idea for this app was born during my student exchange semester, when I realized that the traditional language course was not going to make me fluent. In addition, I forgot all the words that I was learning in real life, and they were useful, and I felt stupid asking for the same words again and again. So I felt there had to be a better way to learn from native speakers. After many years of development, this app has become a beautiful and powerful tool for language learners. Teachers can quickly record phrases which are automatically transcribed and translated instantly. You can practice these as flashcards while listening to the original voice and the melody and emotion that it carries. The magic happens with intelligent, interval-based learning. You can fill the app with hundreds of phrases and it tells you when to practice them. After practicing a phrase for the first time, you have to wait 1 day. Practice it again, and now you wait 2 days, then 3 days, 5 days, 10 days, etc. until it is in your long-term memory. We track this for each phrase and calculate the optimal intervals. It is more intense, but also way more efficient. Additionally, we have included several useful features, like switching between self-testing and listening, romanizing the alphabet for beginners so you can learn a language without knowing the alphabet, adding notes for asking questions later when you're with your teacher, and a cutting-edge pronunciation practice loop. The app is available for free in both the App Store and the Play Store. I just have to pay a little bit for each translation and transcription, so please support the project if it was valuable for you, and I can keep it available for everyone. But wait, the most important part. From where do you get phrases? The app comes empty, and you can create them with a teacher. Or teachers can create sets and send you a download link. Voices and phrases are personal, so only people with the download link can access your phrases, and we also don't see what's stored on your phone. Let's try this out once. Go to the site, unlock a set that we've created, download the phrases, and practice them. That's it. With our app, you'll remember correct examples and the correct pronunciation of new words that you learn. You can use the time in public transport or when waiting for friends or even when you're in the toilet. Now you're ready to practice some phrases every day.